Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create this look. I wanted to do a look that was just focused on really nice brows, very thick lashes, a wing liner, and a bold lip, and kind of keep it on the neutral side. So I created this look for you guys. I hope that you like it. I really like the way it turned out. So if you want to create this look, then just keep watching. The palette that I'm going to use today is this one here. It's Pixie by Petra, and it is the Natural Beauty palette. And the reason why I chose this one is because it has a lot of beautiful neutral shades. And I haven't really done a lot of looks with just neutral browns. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to take the color Rose Clay with a large fluffy brush. I'm going to try to keep this eyeshadow look pretty simple because I want to do a really thick wing liner and some really big lashes today. So we're going to do something a little bit more dramatic, just to have some fun. And I'm just taking this color and I'm putting it in my crease, really blending it out. I'm going to try to keep the eyeshadow look pretty simple because I plan on doing a really thick wing eyeliner and some really thick lashes. So I'm just going to keep this part simple. I'm going to attempt to do a really thick liner today. Wish me luck. Because usually I do wing eyeliner a lot, but I don't really do it super thick and way out here. So I'm gonna try to do that today just because I've been seeing some makeup looks and I really like the way it looks. So I'm gonna try it out, see how it goes. And don't think just because I do makeup all the time that I'm super confident. I'm like, yeah, I can do that. It's, you know, a lot of times you stick to what you know, you get really comfortable, and then when you try something new, it could go wrong. It's not like I'm a pro at everything, you know, so I do get a little nervous when I try something new. And now I'm going to use this beautiful color in the palette. It is so gorgeous. It's this one here. It's called Metal Mauve. It's so pretty. I'm going to take that with my finger at first. And I'm just going to pop that on the lid. You see, oh my gosh, see how pretty that is? Ooh, it's so pretty. I love it. I love it when eyeshadows are super pigmented and super bright, super glittery. That's my favorite. That's really nice. And you know what? It looks like you can wear it. I packed it on, so that's what gives it that oomph, but it looks like you can wear it very subtle as well and just get like a little pixie dust kind of glow. Do you see that? That would be super pretty as well. I just put a tiny bit and I rubbed it in, and you can get that type of look as well. I love that initial like swatch on the eye. It looks so pretty. Now I'm going to go in with the flat shader brush to put that on a little bit more precisely. Get that all the way up into the crease. And then with the brush that I already used, I'm just going to lightly blend it just so it's nice and soft right here. And that's it. That's all I want to do with the eyeshadow. Pretty simple, nothing too dramatic, just something in the crease, something on the lid, boom. Let's do the liner. So for eyeliner today, I'm going to be using my Inglot 77 gel liner and the NYX liquid matte liner. So I put this on the tail only, and then I finish it off by putting this over and connecting it into the tear duct. So that's what I'm gonna do. Let's do a little prayer. Please just let me get this wing liner really good because, you know, I don't want to scrap this video. I want to upload it. I want to take some fire pictures and put them on Instagram. So if you can just help me out, please, thank you. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is start with the little tail and go out. Still like right there. I don't usually go that far, so okay. Start bringing it in. Okay, okay. Not too bad. Let's do the other side. Okay. Okay, how do they look? They look pretty good, okay. Not too bad. Maybe this one a little bit longer. Okay. That part went pretty well. Now let's do this part. Okay, I'm just gonna leave this one alone before I mess it up. Sometimes you just gotta stop. All right. I ain't mad at that. That came out pretty good. I mean, there's a little bumps in the road, but that's okay. It's not gonna be perfect. And then to make it a little bit more crisp, I'm gonna take my Tarte Shape Tape concealer and I'm just gonna cut it right at the tail, just so it looks super sharp and defined. So we're gonna do this. That just makes it look a little bit more crisp, and it's gonna even highlight that area a little bit. Okay, so off of camera, I'm gonna go ahead and pop on some lashes. I'm gonna use these by Baddie B. They're in the style, this. This is the style. I'm gonna put these on. I'm gonna put on my concealer, and then we can finish the rest of the face. To set my face slightly, I don't wanna put too much powder. I'm just gonna put a little bit of this Rimmel Stay Matte, and this is the color Silky Beige. Taking a really big fluffy brush, and I'm just going to lightly pat it. And the only reason why I'm doing this is because I want my bronzer to go on really smooth and not patchy. So I'm just lightly dusting my entire face. Okay, especially like this cheek area. And now for bronzer, I picked this up. This is the Wet n Wild Ticket to Brazil. It looks like this. It's super pretty because I'm trying to find something close to my Hoola bronzer. And this is really nice. It has a little bit of shimmer, like super slight shimmer, which makes your skin look very glowy. So I'm just going to warm up my skin with this. And this formula is really nice. It's not too pigmented, so it's really forgiving. It makes it very easy for you to blend it out. It's not gonna look too harsh. I've been really liking this bronzer. I've tried it, I've been using it, and I really like it. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the eyes just really quickly. I'm gonna take that color that I put in the crease, which is Rose Clay, and I'm just gonna put that on the lower lash line. Ooh, I think I got some eyeshadow on my eyeball. And then I'm gonna go in with Sheer Sand, just right here in the tear duct, just to brighten that up a little bit. I always have to do this step. For blush, I'm gonna be using the Juvia's Place Serafina. It looks like this. Just a little bit, not too much, because I want the look to really be about the eyes and the lips. So just a little hint of color on the apples of the cheeks. That's it. I could get carried away with the blush too. For highlight, I'm going to be using my Amrezy because I want my cheeks to look super wet. I'll put some a little bit above my brow and right here on the side of my temples. I'm going to take a small brush and do some highlight right here and a little bit on my nose. Now I'm going to go ahead and spray my face with the Makeup Fixing Mist by Pixi, my favorite. I'm just going to line my lips with my Sonia Kashuk lip liner in Maple, and then I'm gonna top it with Bow and Arrow by Kat Von D. Of course, the final touch is the Pixie by Petra Black Lacquer Lash Primer on the lower lashes. And then we're done. And there you go. Those bottom lashes just really tie in the whole look. Makes your eyes pop. And yeah, that's it. Now I gotta just fix my hair and we're done. And that is it. This completes the makeup tutorial. I hope that you guys enjoyed this look and that you try it out for yourself. As always, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and don't forget to hit the little notification bell because that's gonna let you know every time I upload a video so you don't miss anything. Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me today. And as always, I hope to see you in my next video.